Hi, this is a video on the Luxbel telescopic aluminium extension pole selfie stick for GoPros or action cameras. Now this selfie stick I bought from Amazon and it is $7.99 from Amazon. Now you can get warehouse deals which are roughly around about £5.75 for it, and we'll go around the box, and as it says stated on the box, easy go easy pole mini. It is quite small. Now this closes down to 7 inches long and extends up to 19 inches, and on the picture here we have the picture of the pole, and it's one of these ones you have to twist to unlock in one direction and twist again to lock it up in another direction. It states up here for action cameras and similar mounting systems which are based on the kind of GoPro mount system. On that side it says easy pole, and on the back here it states in very fine writing 180 degrees adjustment head, super lightweight and portable, full adjustment 12 inches to 19 inches, even though it states 7 inches on the Amazon site. It goes removability, Wi-Fi remote mount and adjustable wrist strap on there. Now I'll open up the box and we'll take a look at the pole. Now in the box you get the pole itself, which is aluminium with this kind of rubbered dimple texture on there, and a nice thick aluminium end here with a loop in there which is in blue. You can get these in other colours as well. We have the GoPro mount up here which is in plastic. This is plastic. We have the lanyard, wrist lanyard or wrist strap, which has Luxbel written all over it on there, and it also has an adjustment for your wrist here, which is a locking system on there. And we do get one GoPro thumb screw included in the box. Now I'm going to show you how it looks with a GoPro on there so you can see for yourself. Now here we are with the Luxbel selfie stick or easy or go easy pole. Now I've done a measurement from here to there between these 2 points, and it measures 12 inches. Now the overall length, or what it says it extends to, is 19 inches, but what they do is they count in the handle from the bottom of the handle to the very top, and they count that in. I don't count that in when I'm measuring selfie sticks or poles, because obviously that's it, you've lost a couple of inches there because you're holding the pole. So I go by the actual length between the end of the handle to the end of the bottom of the mount where your camera goes. Now this is not a bad, this is quite a good pole if you're looking for a pole for your action camera or even your phone. If you're going with your phone, you have to get a mount, a phone mount with a GoPro end on the bottom. So you need a phone mount with a GoPro tripod mount, what they call a tripod mount or GoPro mount on the bottom, so it can clamp onto this GoPro end. Now if you're looking for an action pole and you don't want it too big or too long, you just want it just right, you can't go wrong with this pole considering the price. And I like how sturdy it is. It has a double seam down the pole to give it more strength, and as you can see it's painted in a nice shiny black, and including even the plastic parts in between it, they're also black as well. And as for the handle, as you can see, it is very dimpled, very grippy. Nice grippy rubber on there, so it provides plenty of grip. Great pole, and as I says, this pole fits down to that size. Very, very compact. I give it that, very, very compact when it goes down. Now, this pole is suitable for, or I would say, land use. This pole is not suitable for pools, swimming pools, or the sea, or rivers. Or any body of water that size. It's not suitable because it will sink. So if this drops out of your hand, it will sink with your camera. It's not meant to be by water. It's strictly for land use only. But if you're looking for a great little pole for your action camera, you can't go wrong with the Luxbel pole. Absolutely great. Like the feel of it. Very good pole. Now, if you've got this particular pole, please give a comment down in the comment section what you thought about it, how long you've had it. Was it quite good? Did it break apart? Please let us know down in the comment section so other people can know, and especially if it's broken apart or whatever. Not if you've purposely broke it or accidentally broke it, but if it's due to wear and tear, if it's damaged like that. Please let us know how long you had it for and when did it actually just fell apart. So it gives others at least a guideline to know how long this is going to last for. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Thanks for watching.